Hi, welcome to Maths Academy. Today's topic is very simple. We will be learning about squares and square roots of any numbers. Squares is just the number multiplied by another number. So let us take 8. The square of 8 is 8 times 8, that is 64. Or you take 10. So here you can take 10 times 10 is 100. Or 100,000 times 1000. You can see this when you are multiplying numbers ending in zeros. So the number of zeros in the square is doubled. Okay, here there are 3 zeros here. That means in the square there will be 6 zeros. Okay, so this is the basic of squares. If you need some more details of it, you can please comment below and I can do another detailed video about it. So let us find the square roots now. Let us take 64. You have seen that 8 times 8 is 64. That means the square of 8 is 64. So how we can find, if you don't know this, so how can you find it using prime factorization method? So let us divide it by prime numbers. So let us write it again on top so that we will have more space. So 64 is a number. We need to find the square root of this. So we will use the method of factorization. So factorization means dividing the number by its factors. So if you say prime factorization, we will be dividing it by only prime numbers. So what all are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which has the same number and 1 as its factors. The prime numbers, the smallest prime number is 2, the next is 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay, so there are infinite number of prime numbers. So we can divide it by prime numbers. So 64 is an even number, that is ending with 4 means that it's divisible by 2. Let us divide it by 2. So we will be using short division method here. If you have doubts in short division, you can please comment. I can do another video to explain it. So we will be dividing, in 6 it will go 2 times. So you get 3 times. So 3, and in 4 it will go 2 times. Again divided by 2. It will go 1 times here and there is a remainder 1. So it becomes 12 now. It will go 6 times. So divided by 2 again. In 1 it is not divisible. So you are supposed to put a 0 here. But you are not putting it because it is on the left side of the number. So let us consider 16 now. It is 8 times. 2 again, 4 times. 2 again, 2 again, 2, 1. So we will continue this operation till we get 1. Now to find the square roots, we will take pairs of these factors. So here we get a pair, another pair, another pair. So we will take 1 from each and multiply this. That is 2, 2 and 2. So that is 8. So 8 is the square root of 64. So this is the method of prime factorization. We can extend it to any numbers and even you can find the cube root of any numbers using the same method. So when you need to find the cube roots, we will not be making groups of pairs. Instead we will be making triplets. So three factors in a group. So here again another group. So here you can take 1 from each to get the cube root of 64. That is triplet, another triplet, take 1 from each. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is the cube root of 64. So that means this method can be applied in finding the cube roots as well. Okay, let us take one more example to explain this. Let us find the square root of 2500. So as the ending number is 0, that is divisible by 2 or even 5. So let us divide it by 5. So in 25 it will go 5 times, and in 0 it will go 0 times, and again in 0 it will go 0 times. Okay, so don't get confused, don't leave the zeros here, because this is a number, 0 by 5 is 0, 0 by 5 is 0 again. So again divided by 5 again, it will go 1 time, 0 by 5 is 0, 0 by 5 is 0 again. Now we can either divide it by 5 or divided by 2 as well. So I will keep on continue with 5. So in 1 it will not go, you are supposed to put a 0, but we are not putting it because as it is on the left side of the number. So let us consider 10 here, it will go 2 times, and 0 by 5 is 0. Again I will continue with 5, in 2 it is not divisible, so we will consider 20. In 20 it will go 4 times, now we can divide it by 2. 2 times 2, and the remainder is 1. That we get 1 here. That means we can stop the prime factorization. Now again the same method, we will make it into groups of pairs and take one from each. 5 times 5 times 2. 5 times 5 is 25, times 2 is 50. So 50 is the square roots of 2500. Hope this is clear. So if you have any doubts in this, you can comment below and I will explain it in another video.